voice of our India. We all know that, right? हम सबको पता है, right? सारे गैलरी वाले फिर से चुप हो गए। तो खैर चेयरिंग तो हम करते ही रहेंगे। तो चलिए स्क्रीन पर अब टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट की ओर से एक छोटा सा वीडियो आप सबके सामने for showcasing the various activities. Along with their costume show, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the festivals, the art and culture celebrated by the Tripuri community. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Jamatia community with their beautiful festivals, Goria. Ladies and gentlemen, for you on the stage, the Riyan community celebrating the beautiful festival of Kotagiri.
The second largest tribal community of our state, recognized as one of the 75 primitive tribes of our country. Ladies and gentlemen, Riyan community on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Chakma community with their beautiful attire. With the festivals like Bizu, the art and cultures really spellbound us.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have Munda on stage. The Munda community, one of the central Indian tribe and recognized as an immigrant tribe in Tripura. Original homeland of Mundas was at Chota Nagpur. People of eastern and central parts of the Indian subcontinent are any of several Munda-speaking ethno-linguistic groups of Austroasiatic region. We witnessed.
So ladies and gentlemen, now the models are representing tribal community.
are having the Halam community.
Noatia tribe with us. আমরা যেরকমটা বলেছিলাম আপনাদের, অনুরোধ করেছি আপনাদের, তাদের প্রত্যেকের জন্য আপনারা করতালি দেবেন। আপনাদের এই করতালি পৌঁছে যাবে তাদের প্রত্যেকের ঘরে ঘরে। And this particular tribe we find mainly in the North Tripura district of our state. They have their wonderful costume, jewelry, their own musical instruments. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wonderful way of showcasing all the 19 tribes of our state. They all are coming.
The Khashia community of our Tripura.
Khashia belongs to Astro-Asiatic radial stock, and their language could be grouped under Mongol groups of language. They are famous for their matrilineal society. This kind of
The Garo community of our Tripura. This Garo community celebrates the One Kala as a beautiful festival here in Tripura. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bhujia community of our Tripura.
we mostly see the Bhutia community in Bhutan, but we are very much fortunate that in our state, Tripura
is spoken in Sikkim mainly, and even in parts of West Bengal, Nepal and Bhutan. An indigenous language with its own script, and is considered a mix of Nepal. যে রাজ্যকে নিয়ে আমরা প্রতিনিয়ত অহংকার করি, যে রাজ্যের তারই কিছু কিছু ঝলক মগ জনজাতি। The Lushais, most of them they reside in Jampoi Hills area of Tripura, the animals, and after you enjoyed that community, now we have the mob.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Orang community.
gentlemen, now we have with us Uchai community. People are an ethnic group of northeastern India states of Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and in our state, Tripura. This community we can see mostly in Myanmar, along with Myanmar.
The Bengali community makes the backbone of our culture that we have preserved along with its history. traditions, the art, the culture, the attire, and many more.